Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2019 Honda Civic in an EX trim, I believe, and powered by a 2-liter VTEC engine, providing you with excellent fuel efficiency. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the trunk, which is decently spacious and can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats, and you even have levers to do it from back here. Underneath this cover, you have your spare with some extra room in there. Looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3, as well as fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside and warm up your car. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 60,125 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology, as well as adaptive steering, I believe. Moving on to the left, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your fuel economy, your service information, your audio controls, phone controls, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Moving to the left, you have your pre-collision assist, traction control shutoff, and lane keeping system. You also have this button on the end of your signal stalk to activate your right turn camera, so you can see what's coming while making a right turn and hopefully avoid hitting anything. It also activates when you turn on your right signal. And then moving on to your center infotainment screen, which is radio, USB, auxiliary, Bluetooth capable, so you have a bunch of options there for whatever you want to listen to. Shifting into reverse, you also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, and above that you have your hazards. Moving down, you have your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats. Down below you have this cubby area with a pass-through down below where you have more space for stuff with a USB, as well as a 12-volt power outlet. Then you have your main shifter here, pretty simple. Parking brake, or brake hold, parking brake, eco mode. Then you have 2 cup holders here, which can actually be moved back and forth to access a deeper cup holder area for like a bottle or something, with another USB. And then this armrest can also be slid back and forth and opened up to access the back area with a removable tray. Can also be slid around. And last but not least, you have a power moonroof so you can land in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.